guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Himalaya Natural Shine Henna and Vasmol Henna with me. But before proceeding ahead, if you are new here on our channel, do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button. So without wasting any time, let's start. Let's speak about Himalaya Natural Shine Henna first. They say that they are in market since 1930 and according to them, they fight against premature graying and gives you long-lasting color. You will also able to see picture of Bringaraj flower, amla, curry leaves, methi, shikakai, bahera, harad, neem, green tea. You will also able to see picture of one lady with shiny hair. Now speaking about Vasmol Henna, they have kept their natural look of packaging, that is Mehendi color. On packaging they have given the name of the product, that is Vasmol Henna. And according to them, it's a natural henna based on hair color. On packaging itself, you will able to see picture of Bringaraj, hibiscus, tulsi and amla. And according to them, all these herbs are for herbal nourishment. They say that after using this henna, you will get 2 times stronger hair. You will also able to see picture of one lady with shiny hair. I want to speak about packaging. Then I like packaging of Himalaya, as they have used colors quite attractive, and plus they have given picture of curry leaves, amla, bringaraj, methi and so on in a better manner. Now let's see what they have given on grand side of packaging. First, let's see on Himalaya Henna what they have given. You will also able to see that they have used quite attractive way to attract customers. Over here on packaging, you will see directions how to use the product. I will read out for you. Himalaya Natural Shine Henna in water for 2 to 3 hours. Apply required quantity on your hair from root to the tip and leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Rinse hair thoroughly with water for color and soft hair. You can follow this way. Now let's speak about Vasmol Henna. Over here on packaging, they have given that you have to mix entire content of pouch with approximately 50 ml of water to form smooth paste. Apply the paste uniformly all over the hair and allow it to dry for 60 minutes. Wash thoroughly with shampoo and water. So basically if you are applying Himalaya Henna, then you have to rinse your hair with water only. But if you have applied Vasmol Henna, then you have to make use of shampoo to get rid of that henna from hair. Let's see what more they have given on packaging. Over here on Vasmol Henna packaging, they have given caution and warning. Contain phenylnediamine, PPD and peroxide, which may cause skin irritation or allergic reaction in certain cases. So preliminary patch test as per directions mentioned on this pack should first be made. So basically when you are applying this henna, you have to make patch test first. For me to do video on that, do let me know in the comment section below. Given little information about Himalaya Henna powder. Himalaya Natural Shine Henna is a unique blend made with the purest quality of Rajasthani henna and carefully selected herbs, which gives you intense conditioning and rich hair color. Our henna is enriched with Bringaraja, known to promote hair growth, and amla and curry leaves, known for darkening hair and fighting premature graying, leaving you with soft, shiny, and healthy hair. They have given detail about unique herbs which they have mentioned on the packaging. You will able to see unique blend of herbs for soft, shiny, and healthy hair. Bhringraj helps to promote hair growth. Amla helps darken hair. Curry leaves fight premature graying of hair. Methi conditions and softens hair. Shikakai cleanses and leaves your hair shiny. Bahera helps to soothe the scalp. Harad helps to nourish hair. Neem fight dandruff. Green tea helps to give lustrous shiny hair. Now, if we look at Vasmol Henna, then they say that 2 times stronger and gorgeous hair. They say that Vasmol Henna is packed with goodness of natural herbs. It gives you 100% grey coverage, beautiful long-lasting color. Natural henna is known to nourish hair. Hibiscus and tulsi are known to prevent hair fall. Amla is known for its hair strengthening properties. They have this information on package, but beside this they have mentioned that it contains some chemicals which I have already read for you. Basically in Vasmol Henna, they have used chemical. If by mistakenly you keep this henna for more than 60 minutes, then you may suffer hair fall or other issues. If you are suffering from grey hair issue, then instead of using this Vasmol Henna, I will recommend you to go for Himalaya natural henna, as it is much safer and plus it's a natural. Also, it won't affect you. Plus, your dandruff problem will be solved. Your hair will get nourished and you will get shiny hair. I am not against any brand or I am not promoting any brand. This is my personal choice. It's up to you whether you want to use Himalaya henna or Vasmol henna. The cost of Himalaya henna is Rs 15 and the cost of Vasmol henna is Rs 10. Took Vasmol Henna by looking at its Mehendi color packaging, but I think nobody is going to use this packet at my home. Soon I'll be doing review of Himalaya natural henna separately. If you like this video, then do let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.